Latch is an electronic logic circuit with two stable states, that is, it is a bistable multivibrator. Latch has a feedback path to retain the information. Hence a latch can be a memory device. Latch can store 1 bit of information, as long as the device is powered on. When enable is asserted, latch immediately changes the stored information. When the input is changed, that is, they are level-triggered devices. It continuously samples the inputs when the enable signal is on. Latch circuits can work in 2 states depending on the triggering signal, being high or low, active, high or active, low. In case of active, high latch circuits, normally both the inputs are low. The circuit is triggered by a momentary high on either of the inputs. In case of active, low latch circuits, normally both the inputs are high. The circuit is triggered by a momentary low on either of the inputs.